Today, I will solve the problem of challenge 10 using Power Query. So let me explain the problem. You can see I have three columns. The first column is order date, second column is route name, and the third column is outlet code. So I want to capture the number of visits I made to a specific route. You can see I visited three outlets on 3rd November along Alpha Gully. So the visit number will be 1. Again, I visited two outlets on 4th November to the same route. So the visit number will be 1. So my final cumulative visit counts has become 2. So I will apply the same logic for the other route name to return the number of visits. To solve the problem, I will use the group by function as I want to return the cumulative value. So my criteria column will be route name. So let me click on group by function. The column name will be number of visits and the operations will be all rows for the time being because I will revise this operation later. So if I click on OK, it will return table. Actually, this is subtable for each route name. If I click on this side, you can see this is the subtable for Alpha Gully. Now let me revise my code. If I delete this portion, my result will not change. And this underscore actually refers to the subtable for each route. Now I will return the order date column. So I will write the column name inside the square bracket. If I hit OK, it will return list. Actually, this is the sublist for Alpha Gully. Now I will return the distinct value. So I will write .distinct function, which is List.Distinct function. If I close the bracket and hit OK, it will return only the distinct value. Now I will use the count function, which is list.count. If I close the bracket and hit OK, it will return my expected result. Now I will show you the second technique to solve the problem. To solve the problem, I will duplicate this table 1 query. Now I will remove my step, which is group row. Actually, I will remove the duplicate value for the column name, order date, and route name. So let me select these two columns, right click and click on remove duplicates. So it will return the distinct value for these two columns. So now I can easily group by function to solve my problem. So let me click on group by and the operation will be count rows and the column name will be number of visits. If I hit OK, and this is my expected result, but I have taken 2 steps to solve the problem. I can make these 2 steps 1. If you look at this code, you can see this is actually my previous steps, which is remove duplicates. So I can copy this formula from this step and paste it here and hit OK. It will return the same result. Now I can remove these steps. Now it has become 1 step. I hope you like my solution. In the next video, I'll show you how you can solve the problem of challenge 11 using Excel 365 dynamic array formulas. See you then. Bye bye.